We are fitting a body kit to this Porsche Cayenne. So that is a front splitter, rear diffuser and side skirt. So let's see what a few simple aero mods could really make to this. So now we've got a good idea where the splitter fits. This one does fit very low down on the bumper compared to what you would normally fit on a normal car because of the slant of this, because it is like an SUV. What we're going to do is hopefully, I really don't want to take this front bumper off completely because we've got a 360 camera on it, and if we take that apart or unplug it, we're going to have to get that recalibrated, which does get expensive. So we don't want to touch any of that. What we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is take off the under tray with T25 Torx bits, take all those off. Hopefully I can get my hand up the back of it enough to get nuts on the back of the bolts. If we can do that, we can put it back up there, mark where we've got to drill the holes, get it all bolted on. Get my hand in there. I'm gonna have to get my hand in there. I'll be able to do that if I take out the inner shields. It's looking positive for once. Never normally does. So now all the holes are drilled, literally we just got to bolt it up. So Maxton supply all these nuts and bolts, 16 in total. Now I've seen a lot of these fitted by God knows who, people on the drive, whatever, and they just use wood screws to screw it up and all self-tappers and things. That's always going to pull out. We always use nut and bolt with nylock nuts as well. These are not going to rattle loose as well. So obviously when you're doing 70 mile an hour, 80 mile an hour, maybe 90 mile an hour that you shouldn't do on a motorway, that takes a lot of force. You know, all that wind pressure's pushing on it. You can't just use self-tappers, it's got to be bolted through. So yeah, time to get all these up now. It can be a little bit awkward. Oh, time to bolt it up. This is really awkward. So this is why I always like taking front bumpers off, and it might be that I still have to take this bumper off to get my hands in there. But I'm going to try it this way first because we don't want to unplug that front camera, because that will make a whole load more problems. But we're not going to disconnect it. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. If you would come this side, please, mate. You know, because I really want to take this bumper off, but you can see how far I can pull that down when it's not clamped at the sides. So I just need to support that, do the centre as much as I can. I'm going to have to re-drill 2 holes. So that's 4 there. So that's it, it's all bolted up now. I'm going to be putting, because a little bit of flex, I mean it's nothing, but I'm going to put another couple there, one on each side. We can take this off, put the under tray on, and that is it, done. So, you know, sometimes it doesn't pay to set the bumper off, sometimes it does. Sometimes the bumpers are so quick to come off, you can have a bumper off in 20 minutes, you know, so you just take the bumper off, do it on a trestle, stick the bumper on. But with this one, it worked out best keeping it on. Off to the back now, I'm going to do the back one, then we'll do the side skirts last. It's a first mock-up of the rear diffuser. See how well this fits. Actually quite nice. To be fair, the Maxton stuff always does fit very well. And these come in so handy, you can just do it pretty much on your own as well. Okay. Okay, cool. That's pretty much all we need to see. So even just mocking it up there, it literally fits dead nice in that little recess. Straight away, it's fitting dead nice at the back there, nice and flush. Feels exactly the same. So what I'll do, I'll take that off now. I'll undo that row of screws to loosen the bottom of the bumper. Make sure I can get my hand up there for the bolts, exactly the same as the front. We'll pre-drill this, mark it up again, pre-drill this, put it into place again, drill the bumper, bolt it up. So I was lucky enough with this one to literally, the tailpipes are that long coming out the box. I was really lucky because I've been able to literally take the clamps off, take the exhaust off, get my hand around the back. So again, it just saves the need for taking the whole bumper off. So I'm just doing these things, it just did the easiest way possible. But literally just centering them now. So you got equal gap, top and bottom. Pulling them back up. Right, so I first offered this up. Unfortunately, when doing side skirts on a two-post ramp, your two-post ramp completely gets in the way. But we can get them in the center and then I can just finish it off when it's off the ramp and these arms are out the way. So again, they just fit really well, Maxton Design ones. So you've got a nice little recess here, almost like a little cup underneath the car. And that fits perfectly to this recess or this shape that they've molded here. So you know exactly where it's got to go. So all I'm doing now, make little marks on the skirt itself, on top of the protective covering. You're not marking the skirt itself. Where I can drill my holes, drill the holes, put it back up, start putting some self-tappers in. Just drop the car down off the ramp, getting these arms out the way. So literally I can just put it in the perfect position now because the arms are in the way. So it's put in that perfect position now. I can just finish the last few screws on that side, first few at the end, do the other side. This is finished. We can get it outside and have a proper look. You know what? I actually like this. When we first got this kit out the bag, Maxton Design, they're great, we fitted loads of them, but we got this kit out the bag and we actually thought it was for the wrong car, simply because the shape of that front bumper really hangs underneath. And this sits out front, but now it's on, it actually looks good. It makes it look sporty, which is what all these kits are designed for. It actually looks really, really good. They fit brilliantly as well. It's actually been quite a nice job to fit. So you've got the front splitter, side skirts, and that rear diffuser. They really give the car a sportier look, really do, and make it look like Porsche probably should have made it. So yeah, there you go. How to fit a body kit in one easy step. Probably not too easy, but yeah, there you go. It's nice. Looks good, doesn't it?